A very good morning and a warm welcome once again. We have another video to show you. This is our latest car in stock. It's a 2019 on a 69 plate BMW 220i M Sport Coupe in Alpine white with the all-important black heated leather Dakota interior, and also it is the exclusive leather, so it has the grey outer stitching, very nice, contrasting with the dark interior. Very nice car, purchased again from a local lady owner who'd owned the car almost from new from BMW. It's fully serviced and it's ready to go. We've replaced the two rear tyres, and one of the front tyres was just getting a little bit feathered on the edges, so it's basically had three new tyres, and Charlotte replaced one of the front ones from a puncture not that long ago, so that's good news for the buyer. Brake discs and pads all in fantastic condition, and it is the M Performance braking, so you get the 4-pot calipers on the front, which does increase the braking considerably. It's the LED automatic headlights. It's got the black high gloss grills at the front. Also has an M factory fitted spoiler, so that was built on when the car was going on the production line. That was part of the build spec, so I'll show you that in a moment. Front and rear parking sensors. We have two key fobs, and the vehicle, is fair to say, is in extraordinary condition. I've just tried something a little bit different on the images. I've taken a few shots of some of the sort of parts of the car that you may not consider needs cleaning, like the petrol cap and inside the boot. That's the level that we achieve here at Cheshire Cars, and is probably one of the biggest reasons why we sell so many cars to people unseen until we deliver them. You can of course come and see us here at HQ in Crewe in Cheshire, where you'll be met by myself, David Bilsborough. I started the business off nearly 28 years ago now, so a long time, but we are well renowned and respected within the industry. We turn cars out that you just wouldn't believe. So I've taken some pictures, have a look at them, some intricate pictures, and just to give people, it's really to save people asking what's the car like, what are the wheels like. We don't turn any car out unless it's absolutely as close to being as new as we can possibly achieve, and we certainly don't turn them out with damaged wheels. And if we do consider a wheel to be very lightly curbed or marked, we will point it out on the video. So that's a side shot of the interior. They don't come with leather as standard, neither do they come with privacy glass, which it has got also. So the window here is privacy. This is subtle but very nice. That's the spoiler that's fitted from the factory. Just going down, you have the twin exhaust tailpipes. It's the 220s, which just achieving just a fraction under 200 brake horsepower, so it's a good usable engine. It utilises a twin power turbo, so that means one turbo with an actuator which basically gives it more acceleration when you so desire. No damage on the wheels, and they are the better, I consider better sort of wheel for the M Sport. It's the painted and polished with the M Performance blue calipers. Again, I've taken a good close-up of the front in the images. That's the new tyre, and there's two new tyres on the rear, and Charlotte has not long since replaced the other front tyre. So basically you can pretty much, well, you can hang your hat on three brand new tyres and one that's not very old, so that's all together very good. And we don't just sell the car, it goes through our workshop partners where they scrutinise it, and anything that they consider to be needing a requirement, they will carry that work out. Engineers, not fitters, so we use only the best people. We have a great team of people that support the business to help us to achieve what you're seeing here in the video this morning. Now, my apologies if the sun, it's a beautiful day and the sun is above us and shines through the skylights in the building, and it can blur some of the quality of the videos and pictures, so I do try my harder to avoid that, but you just can't avoid it. We are in summer, aren't we? So my apologies again if your enjoyment is being slightly put off by the sunshine, but let's not complain about the sunshine, shall we? Let's just admire the sun. It's millions of miles away, isn't it? Goodness me, I don't know quite if your central heating would be quite so warm if it was millions of miles away. I don't think it would it? We have paddle shift, which again is not standard, it's an option. It's a sports steering wheel with paddle shift. You have voice activation just there. Cancel. That's voice activation. You have speed limiter and digital radio, of course. And on the BMW, they've kept with it. I'm not sure on the new ones, but certainly in 2019-20, they still did it. They offered you a CD player. So that's something that is, they don't do it on Minis, but they do it on BMWs. I'm not sure if they still do it on 23s, but maybe someone could put a message on the video as far as whether they do still offer a CD player, which I find quite useful because I'm at a certain age where I was brought up on tapes and then CDs. It was a revolution. So let's carry on with the video. You get the ZF gearbox. Now that gearbox is fantastico. There's nothing at all to worry about. It's 8-speed. It's absolutely, it's nailed on. It's a gearbox that's been in production for I don't know, 10, 12 years. It may have had a few software changes over the years, upgrades for economy and you know, the sort of overall experience, but that gearbox is a fantastic box. I've shown pictures in the montage of photographs of data about the vehicle. Just to say, inside the car we have the leather, the heated leather, into the door cards. You have Harman Kardon speakers, another upgrade. I have listed as many of those upgrades as I can tell you about in the advert itself. So, and the mileage is 22,241 miles, so it's a very sensible mileage, and yeah, so it's very well serviced, very low mileage considering its age. It's 4 years old in a few months' time. It's MOT. We've just done it, passed without any advisories. There's your air conditioning. There is your heated seats. It's another £200 option. Not a bad option really, to be fair, and I don't know why people don't choose it, but not everyone does. There's a USB port inside here, just there, and look at this, it's a handbrake lever. Goodness me, no buttons in here. BMW sticking with the technology. And this is also slidable, so this slides as well, the armrest. So I think a good package. And just to tell you again, as always, there is no undue wear inside the car. There are no smells inside the car either. Run flat tyres, so you've no need to worry about spare wheels or puncture repair kits. It's run flat, which means that you can still drive the car, safe to do so, at about up to 50 miles an hour with a flat tyre. Now how good is that? And run flats can be repaired if the puncture area is not in a critical zone, namely towards the edge of the tyre. So run flat tyres can be repaired. Don't let anyone else tell you differently. Some of the services we offer are free an analysis of your current car, so we will freely value your car. Excuse my phone for ringing. I'll just let that ring whilst I'm finishing the video. And we also do UK delivery, it's £1 a mile anywhere in the country, and we usually deliver within 48 hours, and pretty much every car like this one is ready to go. So you could travel up to Crewe, meet us at we could meet you at the railway station. It's about 3 or 4 minutes away, and you could go home in the car the same day as you see it. That's pretty much 99% of all our vehicles, and all our reviews are on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader. We also buy cars as per the sign. That's www.webuyyourcar365.co.uk. And one other thing, yes, finance is available, so PCP and HP are both available on this vehicle. So again, please have a look at the website, and if you wish to go forward with it, you can actually propose yourself without even talking to us. So that's our 2019 69 plate BMW 220i Coupe M Sport automatic, available from Cheshire Cars in Crewe in Cheshire. I'll have a fantastic day. and we hope to hear of you very, very soon indeed. Thank you.